This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Sapin Sapin, a delightful layered rice cake. Let's gather our core ingredients. You will need 1 cup of glutinous rice flour and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour for the base. Make sure you have 1 1/2 cups of thick coconut milk and an additional 1/2 cup of thin coconut milk. Don't forget 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a few drops of vibrant food coloring to achieve its signature look and flavor. Now, let's prepare the foundational coconut milk base for our Sapin Sapin. In a spacious mixing bowl, combine the 1 cup of glutinous rice flour, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Gradually whisk in the 1 1/2 cups of thick coconut milk and the 1/2 cup of thin coconut milk. Continue mixing until the batter is perfectly smooth, with no lumps remaining. This careful preparation ensures a wonderfully consistent texture and rich flavor in your final dessert. Next, we will begin the exciting process of coloring and layering our Sapin Sapin batter. Carefully divide the smooth batter into 3 equal portions, placing each into a separate bowl. Now, add a few drops of different food colorings to each portion. Yellow, purple, and a natural white are traditional choices. Gently stir each portion until the color is evenly distributed and vibrant. This step creates the beautiful, distinct layers characteristic of authentic Sapin Sapin. Now it's time to steam our Sapin Sapin layers. First, lightly grease a 9-inch round steaming pan with a small amount of neutral oil to prevent sticking. Pour your first colored batter portion into the pan, spreading it evenly. Place the pan in a preheated steamer and steam this initial layer for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until it is firm to the touch. Repeat this exact process for the second and third colored layers, ensuring each one is fully set before adding the next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.